Hello everyone, this is Ron with Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar. We're located in Mableton, Georgia, and we're also located in Atlanta, Georgia in Greenbrier Mall. And today we're going over our 7th edition of our Vivdration shots. Now our Vivdration shot has 10 different ingredients. We've gone over 6 of them, which is beets, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and we've also gone over dandelion roots and rosemary. Today we're going to go over cinnamon. Cinnamon is the next ingredient that we're going to go over, and I'd like to go over with you the 5 top benefits of cinnamon. Cinnamon helps to lower blood sugar. It increases metabolism. Cinnamon also helps your digestive system. It helps pollinoids fight free radicals. And last but not least, cinnamon helps to boost the brain power and protect the heart. Again, this is Ron with Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar, and we have just gone over cinnamon, which is the 7th ingredient of our Vivdration shot. And we'll be coming back to you again tomorrow with our 8th ingredient. So tune in. Again, we're located in Mableton, Georgia, and Atlanta, Georgia in the Greenbrier Mall. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.